Welcome back, students. It is time to wrap up our learning with our Big 6 lesson conclusion. Hi students, it's Ms. Gonzalez, your librarian again. So today we've been working on the process of the Big 6 and how it helps us plan out our research. In this video, you will learn more in depth about each one of the steps and how you could apply it to your research. I also created a Big 6 steps handout for you. The handout breaks down each step, it gives a description of the step, and then it also lists a couple of questions that you can ask yourself when you're at that point of the process. On the second page, there are 5 links to resources that will help you understand the process better. The links include a video, posters with the 6 steps, the Big 6 official website, and a website with details for each step broken down, including examples. I hope that this handout will be useful for you when it's your turn to start researching. The first step is task definition. In this step, you have to figure out the problem and the type of information you need to complete that task. The second step is information seeking strategies. In this step, you need to think about all the different resources you could use, then narrow it down to the ones that will be useful to your research. For examples, you could use books, journals, websites, your teachers, the librarians, your parents. Those are all resources. Step 3 is location and access. In this step, you will need to locate the resources that you will be using, which means doing things like checking out books from the library, accessing specific websites, reaching out to people that can help you. Step 4 is use of information. In this step, you will decide what information is useful to your task or problem, and you'll begin to jot down notes of information that you think will help your research. Step 5 is synthesis. In this step, you'll organize all of that information you gathered, and you're going to decide what you're going to do to present it, or what your end product is going to be. The final step is step 6, which is evaluation. In this step, you'll evaluate your own work based off of your original task and the teacher's requirements. At times, you're going to have rubrics to help you evaluate your own work before turning it in. Students, today we focused on the Big 6 steps for researching. This process is going to help us when it's time to begin our researching together. In this concluding video, we learned the names of the 6 steps and a description of what happens at each one. You also received a handout with detailed descriptions of the text and 5 linked resources that will give you more information about Big 6 in case you need it. I hope this lesson helped you get a better idea of the process we will use to research. I am excited to get started with our researching.